Hello, this TED Talk is on the deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest on Earth, with the highest density of plant and animal species anywhere. It is the world's richest and most verified biological reservoir on our planet, containing several million of species of insects, plants, birds, and other forms of wildlife. It spans 2.5 million square miles. It contains freshwater running the length of 4,000 miles. It contains the largest number of 3,000 freshwater fish species in the entire world. The Amazon rainforest registers numbers percent, accounting a mark slightly exceeding over halfway point of occurrence, or over 50%, to come in at 50.4% of the world's deforestation, thus making the Amazon rainforest the planet's largest deforestation. Deforestation in the rainforest means individual species will become endangered and biodiversity is greatly reduced. Scientists have made predictions that suggest 137 plant, animal, and insect species are lost every day due to rainforest deforestation. It has been estimated 30 to 45% of Amazon species could be lost by 2023. Necessary actions must be taken with immediacy to bring protection to the Amazon rainforest area. Otherwise, these devastating effects will continue to persist and worsen over time. The understanding that the effects of deforestation is not limited to the Amazon region, but can also be felt not only regionally but globally, would hopefully bring encouragement of action to everyone, as an understanding that protection of this area is everyone's responsibility.